Number 1. Insulate with bubble wrap. Instead of traditional insulation methods, use bubble wrap on your windows. Simply spray a little water on the window and press the bubble wrap on. This creates an extra layer of insulation, keeping the cold out and the warmth in. Bubble wrap is an inexpensive solution and can be easily applied and removed. This method is particularly useful for older windows that may not be as energy efficient as modern ones. Number 2. Utilize a hot water bottle. Fill a hot water bottle and place it in your bed before you get in. It's a great way to pre-warm your sheets without having to heat the entire room. It's also perfect for staying warm while sitting on the couch. Hot water bottles can also help soothe aches and pains, providing dual benefits of comfort and warmth. Look for covers made of soft, insulating material to enhance the heat retention. Number 3. Make DIY draft snakes. Use old socks or tights and fill them with rice or sand to create draft snakes. Place them at the bottom of doors and windows to block out cold air. This simple DIY project is effective and can be made from materials you already have at home. You can also sew draft snakes using fabric scraps for a more decorative option. Adding essential oils to the filling can provide a pleasant aroma in your home. Number 4. Create a sunroom. Dedicate a room with large windows as your winter sunroom. During the day, open the doors to let the warmth from the sun fill your house. Close it off at night to keep the warmth contained. It's a natural and free way to heat your home. Positioning furniture in sunny spots can help maximize the warmth from natural light, reducing the need for additional heating during the day. Number 5. Use thermal mass. Place large containers of water in sunny areas of your home. Water absorbs heat during the day and releases it slowly at night, helping to regulate your home's temperature naturally. Dark-colored containers can enhance the heat absorption. This technique works well in conjunction with other passive solar heating strategies, making your home more energy efficient. Number 6. Cook with a slow cooker or instant pot. These appliances use less energy than a traditional oven and can create hearty, warm meals. Plus, they're perfect for making large batches of soups, stews, and casseroles to freeze for later. Using a slow cooker or instant pot also allows you to use cheaper cuts of meat that become tender with long cooking times, further stretching your food budget. Number 7. Make a rice sock warmer. Fill a clean sock with rice, tie it off, and heat it in the microwave for a minute or two. This DIY warmer is perfect for cold feet or for soothing aches and pains. It's reusable and can be customized with essential oils for a relaxing scent. These warmers can also be used to pre-warm your bed or as a hand warmer when you're outside in the cold. Number 8. Reuse dryer lint. Save the lint from your dryer and use it as kindling for your fireplace or wood stove. It catches fire quickly and helps get your fire going without the need for store-bought fire starters. You can also mix dryer lint with melted wax and pour it into egg cartons to create homemade fire starters. This repurposes waste and provides an efficient way to start fires. Number 9. Layer curtains. Hang a second set of curtains behind your regular ones. The extra layer provides better insulation against the cold. You can use thicker, darker curtains for the second layer to enhance the effect. Consider using thermal or blackout curtains, which are specifically designed to insulate and block out light, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Number 10. Reflect heat back into the room. Place aluminum foil behind your radiators or space heaters to reflect heat back into the room. This increases the efficiency of your heating and ensures more warmth stays where you want it. For a more aesthetic option, you can buy specially designed radiator reflectors that blend in with your decor. This simple hack can help reduce your heating costs significantly. Number 11. Create a cozy corner. Dedicate a small area in your home as a cozy corner with blankets, pillows, and warm lighting. This designated space can be your go-to spot for reading, relaxing, or even working from home, reducing the need to heat your entire home. Adding a small space heater or heated throw can make this corner even more inviting, providing direct warmth without affecting the rest of the house. Number 12. Make your own moisturizing balm. Winter can be harsh on your skin. Make a moisturizing balm using natural ingredients like coconut oil, shea butter, and beeswax. This DIY is cost-effective and helps keep your skin hydrated without buying expensive creams. You can also add essential oils for fragrance and additional skin benefits. Store the balm in small tins or jars for easy use. Number 13. Use a thermal cooker. A thermal cooker uses minimal energy to cook your food. Simply bring your food to a boil, then transfer it to the thermal cooker to continue cooking without additional heat. It's perfect for stews and soups, saving energy and money. Thermal cookers are highly efficient and can keep food warm for hours, making them ideal for preparing meals in advance. Number 14. Insulate your attic door. Many people overlook the attic door when insulating their home. Use weather stripping or an insulated cover to keep warm air from escaping through the attic. Adding a layer of rigid foam insulation to the door can also help. Ensuring that your attic is properly insulated can make a big difference in your home's overall energy efficiency. Number 15. Embrace the power of rugs. Cover your floors with thick, insulating rugs. They help keep your feet warm and add an extra layer of insulation to your home. Look for wool or other natural fibers that provide the best warmth. Rugs can also add a cozy, aesthetic touch to your decor, making your home feel more inviting during the cold months. Number 16. Make your own fire starters. Save toilet paper rolls and fill them with dryer lint or small twigs. Wrap them in wax paper or dip them in melted wax to create homemade fire starters. They're effective and repurpose items that would otherwise be thrown away. You can also add sawdust or shredded paper to the mix for additional fuel. Number 17. Use a dehumidifier. Running a dehumidifier can make your home feel warmer by removing excess moisture from the air. This can help you feel more comfortable at lower temperatures and save on heating costs. Dehumidifiers also help prevent mold and mildew growth, which can be a concern in tightly sealed homes during winter. Number 18. Insulate with curtains made from thermal blankets. Buy inexpensive thermal blankets and sew or clip them to the back of your existing curtains. This creates an extra layer of insulation without the need to buy expensive thermal curtains. You can also use them as liners for sleeping bags or emergency blankets in case of power outages. Number 19. Make a pot of simmering spices. Simmer a pot of water with cinnamon sticks, cloves, and citrus peels. Not only will it make your home smell amazing, but the added humidity can make the air feel warmer. It's a natural and frugal way to create a cozy atmosphere. You can also experiment with different combinations of herbs and spices to find your favorite scent. Number 20. Use egg cartons for seedlings. Start planting your spring garden early by using egg cartons to plant seedlings indoors. By the time spring arrives, you'll have a head start on your garden, which can save you money on produce. Egg cartons are biodegradable and can be planted directly into the soil, making the transplant process easier.